Is it possible that Regularshow is just a long acid trip? Now then, we're going to go over this theory to see if it holds any weight. And make sure to watch it all the way through because I will be inserting my own theory about Regularshow. Welcome to another episode of Animated Cartoon Conspiracy, so make sure you hit that like button and follow for more. Now then, how could it be that all of the events that happen in Regularshow is actually a huge acid trip? Well, the reasoning for this theory starts like this. You have people like Mordecai and Rigby, Muscle Man and High Five Ghost, Pop Skips and others. Even in this room of people, they all stand out. And could the reason for why they stand out is because of acid? Now then, this theory claims that Skips is Mordecai's supplier, and even the wisdom that Skips gives is just a part of the trip. Pops is somehow a crime lord, and uses his niceness just to throw people off. Benson is actually a shady sheriff that lets Pops get away with anything that he wants to. Muscle Man and High Five Ghost are actually just stoner friends, and that Rigby is Mordecai's dead best friend. Now, how could all of this actually be linked to an acid trip? Well, the theory actually originates from a short made by J.G. Quintel called 2 in the AM PM. In this short, a cartoonized J.G. Quintel and a humanoid Benson are both manning a store at night or in the morning. They're both tired and bored, so they both decide that they should have a little fun at night. And they both partake in candy that is laced with what they perceive to be marijuana. But to Benson's surprise, it turns out to be actually acid. And that's when the Benson character actually morphs into the Benson that we know for the first time. And they both trip out, turning J.G. Quintel into Mordecai and many different other things throughout the night. Now then, it could be plausible that all the events of Regularshow actually started here in this convenience store. Although this is one of the more entertaining theories about how the world is actually fake, I gotta let you know about a serious piece of information that may make this theory fall apart. Or maybe it actually just stitches it together. So is Regularshow just a plain old acid trip? Well, this serious piece of information pertaining to the creator of the show, J.G. Quintel, may make or break the acid trip theory. And the statement actually comes from this. In an interview with Hot Topic, J.G. Quintel states that if you get past the fact that Muscle Man is Muscle Man, or that Pops is a lollipop, or that Skips is a Yeti, you'll realize that they are all just human. And there has been other times where J.G. Quintel has stated that he is Mordecai. So the acid theory could actually hold some validity, and that it all started in this convenience store. So here's my theory that I would like to propose about Regularshow. Regularshow is actually a parallel universe to Close Enough. If all the events in Regularshow are actually true, then my theory actually has some ground to stand on. Because Close Enough would be the timeline where Mordecai is actually able to get with Margaret. Check out the bird-like hair. And his other friends Eileen and Rigby actually get together. And in this timeline, instead of Mordecai wanting to become an artist, he always wanted to become a video game developer and failed at that instead, but had success in getting with Margaret. But also in this timeline, Rigby and Eileen are able to get together, but their very different lifestyles actually make it harder for them to stay together. What do you think of both theories, the acid trip theory and the parallel universe theory? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you give a like and follow, and I'll see you in another video.